Hello, everyone. Um, I hope that you all had a nice long weekend, the Queen's birthday weekend, and it's the last holiday for the first half of the year. We'll have to wait till October for our next holiday, actually, public holiday. Um, so this, as you know, that more assessments are coming up. So today's lesson is mainly focused on writing an academic research essay. You would have received plenty of listening and reading related lessons in the last 2 weeks, and also related to speaking. And this week and next week, you will be doing your second set of group discussions, which is a speaking assessment, which is the final speaking assessment that you will be doing. And you will also be doing a writing assessment very soon, and your teachers will share with you what questions you have to choose from, and you will be writing a 500-word research essay on that. But luckily, you don't have to sit and write it down in 2-3 hours in a classroom. You will have time at home to do your research and then draft a plan and draft an essay, and then send it to the teacher for a quick feedback, very, very quick feedback. And then you have to redraft it and make a final one and submit in about 3 weeks' time. Your teachers will let you know what the topics are and then how to do that. In the Google Meet sessions, you'll be learning it in more detail. But today's Dynaspeak Online weekly lesson is focused on how to write and what things mainly do you have to include in an academic research essay. So let me share my screen and take you through that lesson. And it's just one lesson for today because it's a short week, and you will receive another one by the end of this week. Okay, so this is the lesson for today where just imagine that your teacher is talking to you. So the first part of the lesson explains to you what a research essay is, and is it very different or is it quite similar to any other essay? It gives you the example or question here, an example question, and then there are some questions about it. So this is we call it as an essay prompt, and you need to read this and then answer the questions that follow. And then there's a short lesson about um, what things do you write, or how do you include information to show that you have researched, that you've done research on a topic, because it's called as a research essay. And it gives you the details about how we do that. And there is also a section about plagiarism. You would have done a short microskills task on Dynaspeak Online about this. If you haven't done it yet, you will soon be doing it. So this is very important, that in academic writing, plagiarism is like a crime. You cannot copy ideas simply and put those ideas in your essay and not give credit. So we need to use ideas. That's how we show that we have done research, but we should also show where or who said that or where we got that idea from, and that's called as giving credit. So that's how we avoid plagiarism. So read the information about what is plagiarism and how we can avoid it, because it's considered as a big academic crime. And it's a very brief, simple and easy to follow introduction to how to write an academic research essay. And there's also a short video that I recommend that you watch and then answer some of the questions at the end. Okay, and there is another sample question which is about toxins. You would have done a reading and a writing related exercise earlier on in weeks 9, 8, and 9. And this topic is about people who argue in support of and against researching toxins. And I've shown you how you research some information, and I've pasted a link here. I want you to do the same for the zoo related topic, which is given on top here. And you will have to Google up some information to show some support and some arguments against, and then write down the ideas that you get here, the reasons, and then where you got it from. The source means just paste the URL from the Google that you find the information. So this lesson is basically self-explanatory. It explains things as if a teacher would explain to you, but I'm sure that the teachers would use this lesson in the Google Meet sessions to explain it in more detail. But this lesson is very, very important because it's like a first stepping stone for you to learn how to write a research essay. And the research essay you're going to write is going to be very short. It is only a 500-word essay. So don't panic much. But yes, I would strongly recommend that you do this lesson. Okay, and that's it. And that's a very short lesson for today. And you will receive some more at the end of this week. So happy learning. And you have your Google Meets. Some of you would have missed your Monday's Google Meet with Teacher Suli, so you can catch up on these lessons. Okay, and see you in the day 2 lesson for this week. And happy learning till then. Bye.